Talks. Personal injury. Leaders in Tennessee Medical.
Hey there, thank you for joining. Topic of discussion: your options for medical treatment after an accident, physical therapy, alternative medicines. Getting into an automobile accident is pretty scary. Unfortunately for many victims, the nightmare doesn't end when you go home. Many accidents leave people with a range of uncomfortable symptoms. Conditions such as whiplash, herniated discs, and back pain are rather common. Treating your injuries becomes a whole other commotion amid your journey to recovery. What many people don't realize is that this journey isn't all drugs and surgeries. Many medical interventions use a more homeopathic approach. What are alternative medicines? Alternative medicine is an umbrella term that encompasses any treatment outside the realms of traditional therapy. They can be used in combination or as a substitute for mainstream medicine. Although it can be difficult, it's essential to try to separate fact from fiction. Many individuals slap the word homeopathic treatment on different techniques that aren't supported by any evidence. Learning about which alternative medicines have credibility is the first step towards getting the treatment you deserve. What is physical therapy? Physical therapy often approaches treatment homeopathically. The goal of physical therapy, or PT, sessions is to improve function and movements. There are several ways PT can accomplish this. Learning how to move or holding yourself up following an injury may help relieve pain or regain function while reducing your chance of suffering a disability. PT is often considered a crucial step towards recovery following accidents, surgery, or even stroke. In some cases, they teach you how to live using assistive devices such as canes, prosthetics, or walkers. Aside from PT, a physician may also recommend that you visit a chiropractic wellness center. Chiropractic medicine is a practice in which a chiropractor tries to realign your body. Through special techniques, they manually adjust your body to try to bring it back to working speed. It can help you optimize your physical abilities and even ease the pain. Benefits of physical therapy and alternative medicines. You may question what entices individuals to seek alternative treatments. While mainstream medicine is often effective, there are some downsides to popular therapies. One of the most significant concerns patients have is how pharmacological interventions will impact their recovery. Many patients worry about the consequences of using painkillers for such a prolonged period, and they have a reason for this worry. Many painkillers come with many unwanted side effects, especially the highly prescribed opioids. Popular opioids such as oxycodone or Vicodin run the risk of addiction and overdose. Additionally, these painkillers don't fix anything. They cover up symptoms. While many doctors choose to use them in addition to other treatments, they alone don't teach you new ways to live with your problems. By merely covering up pain, you can become dependent on them. While it is easy to pop a pill, it is worth putting the effort into your physical therapy. Keeping up with your PT is not easy, but it is a crucial step to recovery. As the saying goes, Rome wasn't built in a day. Getting yourself back on track is not going to be something you accomplish in a single session. Because of our modern culture's hustle and bustle, this fact alone deters a lot of people from finishing their PT sessions. In a society where most people grow accustomed to immediate gratification, merely taking medication is easy. This convenience is an underlying reason explaining the considerable effect of the opioid crisis in the U.S. Many alternative medicine strategies battle the crisis and leave patients with a safe treatment option. PT and other training techniques lead to long-term results rather than short-term relief. Techniques such as PT and chiropractic medicine do not run the same risk of dependency. This reduced risk doesn't mean that this is a decision to take lightly, though. Talking with a licensed care physician is always a great way to find the right treatment for you. They can offer you solutions and advice on the topic. Is it really so important to visit a doctor after an accident? Talking to a physician should always be one of the first steps to take after you end up in an accident. Even if you do not immediately recognize your symptoms as significant, you need to have that expert consultation. Many injuries may not manifest until days after the accident. Likewise, some injuries seem minor at first, but develop into something more serious when not taken seriously. Doctors are trained professionals who have experience identifying injuries and getting them treated appropriately. Failing to treat injuries may result in permanent damage. It's better to go to a doctor to find out nothing is wrong than to fail to identify a treatable condition and end up with irreversible damage. Midtown Medical offers PT and alternative medicine at their Nashville location. Sometimes it's not a matter of not taking it seriously. Many individuals are unsure of how to get started. Luckily, Midtown Medical is here to help. Midtown Medical is a leading resource connecting you with the right people following an accident. Our team of experts wants to help make the journey of recovery just a little bit easier. We are always finding new and engaging ways to keep our patients updated with the latest news in medicine. Our team would like to invite you to our latest platform. Thanks for listening. For more episodes, visit MIDTOWN-MEDICAL-TALKS.com. Midtown Medical Talks is a personal injury medical and law informational podcast channel that offers next-level entertainment and business news to its listeners. Hosted by our Midtown Medical team, we are now streaming on all major listening platforms.